Congratulations on the purchase of your Coolaroo PVC wheel-operated exterior blind. Before beginning installation, make sure to gather all required tools and lay out all parts. Step 1. Installing the brackets. Identify the bracket-to-bracket length of your blind and measure the space where you'll be hanging your blind. Mark the holes on the mounting surface for the desired blind position. Use the center of the screw holes to allow for movement if necessary to provide a snug fit. The wheel bracket will be on the right side and the idle end unit bracket should be on the left side. They cannot be interchanged. Next, screw brackets at the center of the screw holes without completely tightening. Step 2. Attaching the blind. Insert the wheel bracket into the wheel component. Then insert the idle end plug into the idle end unit and snap securely into place. With the blind in place, adjust the brackets so they provide a snug fit. Now go back and tighten the bracket screws completely. Now you're ready to enjoy time outside with UV protection, shade, and privacy. For additional installation details and any questions, visit us online at CoolarooUSA.com.